The epidemiologic triangle is a foundational model for understanding how diseases spread, especially infectious ones. It has three interconnected parts. Agent: the microorganism, chemical, or physical force that causes disease, for example, a virus, bacteria, or toxin. Host: the human or animal susceptible to the disease. Environment: external factors influencing the agent and the opportunity for exposure, for example, climate, sanitation, housing. Time is often considered a crucial fourth factor, tracking incubation periods, disease duration, and epidemic thresholds. To prevent illness, public health aims to break the connection between these parts, like improving sanitation, vaccinating populations, or controlling vectors.